Hello, this is Teacher Ace. Welcome to our online learning. Are you ready now to learn? We have a very exciting topic for today.
Our lesson is about multiplication of a two-digit number by a two-digit number. In this lesson, we will be able to learn how to multiply a two-digit number by a two-digit number. So we should first study how to multiply a two-digit number by 10, 20, 30, until 90. When we are multiplying a number by 10, 20, 30, or until 90, multiply the number by 1, 2, 3, or until 9, and then add a 0 at the end of the product. So here are some examples. So 32 times 10 is equal to 320. So what you will do is multiply 32 by 1 and then add 0 at the product. 32 times 1 is equal to 32. Then add 0. So the answer is 320. Here's another example. 58 times 40 is equal to 2320. So how did we get the answer? So you just have to multiply 58 times 4. 58 times 4 is equal to 232, and then we should add a 0 the end of the product. So 58 times 40 is equal to 2320. Another example is 88 times 50. So what are we going to do? So we should multiply 88 by 5. So 88 times 5 is equal to 440, and then add a 0 on the product. So 88 times 50 is equal to 4,400. Another example, 27 times 60 is equal to, so what are we going to do is multiply 27 by 6. So 27 times 6 is equal to 162, and then add 0 on the product. So 27 times 60 is equal to 1620. We will learn multiplying a two-digit number by two-digit number without regrouping. There are steps in multiplying a two-digit number by a two-digit number without regrouping. Step 1. Multiply by ones. Step 2. Multiply by tens. And step 3. Add the products together. Here are some examples. 12 times 13 is equal to blank. So we should follow the steps. Step 1, multiply by ones. So 12 times 3 is equal to 36. Step 2, multiply by tens. So 12 times 1 is equal to 12. 12 times 1 tens is equal to 12 tens. So 12 tens is equal to 100 plus 2 tens. When we multiply by tens, we always put a 0 at the end of the product. The third step is add the products together. So we will add 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and then bring down 1. So 12 times 13 is equal to 156. Let's have another example. How about 21 times 23 is equal to blank? Step 1, multiply by ones. So 3 times 1 is equal to 3, and 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So 21 times 3 is equal to 63. Step 2, multiply by tens. So 2 times 1 is equal to 2, and 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So 21 times 2 is equal to 42, and then we add 0 at the end of the product. The third step is add the products together. So 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, and bring down 4. The answer is 483. So 21 times 23 is equal to 483. Now let's learn multiplying a two-digit number by two-digit number with regrouping. So there are also steps in multiplying a two-digit number by two-digit number with regrouping. Step 1, multiply by ones. Regroup. Step 2, multiply by tens, then regroup. And step number 3 is add the products together. Here are some examples. 45 times 12 is equal to blank. Step 1, multiply by ones, then regroup. So 45 times 2. So 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So we put 1 above 4, and then 2 times 4 is equal to 8, plus 1 is equal to 9. Step 2, multiply by tens and then regroup. So we will multiply 45 by 1. So 1 times 5 is equal to 5, and 1 times 4 is equal to 4. And then we will add 0 at the end of the product. Step 3, add the products together. So we will add 0 plus 0 equals 0. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So we will write 4, and we will write 1 on top of 4. And then 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So the answer is 540. So 45 times 12 is equal to 540. Another example, 78 times 86 is equal to blank. Step 1, multiply by ones. 6 times 8 is equal to 48. And then we write 4 on top of 7. Next, 6 times 7 is equal to 42. And then plus 4 is 46. Step 2, multiply by tens. So 8 times 8 is equal to 64. And then we write 6 on top of 7. 8 times 7 is equal to 56. 56 plus 6 is equal to 62. So 78 times 8 is equal to 624. And then we add 0 at the end of the product. Step 3, add the products all together. So 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. And then we write 1 on top of 4. And then 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And bring down 6. So the answer is 6,708. So 78 times 86 is equal to 6,708. I hope you have learned something from our lesson today. You may now get your worksheets and answer your worksheets. Thank you for watching. See you again for the next math lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.